As we have come to a digital era, one of the most demanding skills is graphic designing. Graphic designing is a creative skill used for a lot of different purposes, whether it's creating a logo or animation, infographics creation, and the list goes on. And hence, many in this world want to learn this. But as we start learning, the one thing which we should start with is the basics. The best way to learn graphic design basics is with the help of courses. And the best thing is that many free courses will help you learn about graphic designing. So, we have come up with 5 courses which you can take for free to get this basic knowledge. But before we mention these courses, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notifications. The first course is Graphic Design Course by Allison.com. If you don't know, Allison is a hub of courses that provides learning on various topics, and the best thing is that all of Allison's courses are free to enroll in. Hence, this course is also free to learn. These courses provide a detailed introduction to graphic design. Till now, more than 96,000 students enrolled in this course. The time you need to complete this course is 1.5 hours to 3 hours as per your speed. These courses consist of 4 modules, 20 lessons, and 1 assessment. The first module introduces you to graphic design that answers what graphic design is, the design process, and design elements. The second module explains the history of graphic design, which explains the industrial period, international typographic styles, and modernism. The third module is about the graphic design process, which explains design research, design technique, and design draft. The fourth module explains graphics design elements, shapes, color, fonts, composition, layout, and organizational system. The second course is World of Graphic Design on Udemy. Udemy platform does not require any introduction. Udemy has one of the best courses for free and paid. World of Graphic Design is a free course created by MKCL India. The course is the best free graphic design course on the platform, with a rating of 4.3 stars rated by more than 800 students. Till now, more than 10,000 students enrolled in this course. It's a short and sweet 1-hour course. This course consists of only one section with 9 lessons. The course first explains what graphic designing is. They also explain the importance of forms, shapes, color, typography, images, and compositions. In the end, it explains the applications of the course and provides a few graphic design tips. The third course is Intro to Graphic Design with Photoshop on Great Learning. Great Learning is another course platform that provides an introductory course on various subjects for free. The course rating is 4.3 stars, rated by more than 8,000 students. Till now, more than 170,000 students enrolled in this course, and like Udemy's course, this is also a short and sweet 1-hour course. The course consists of 5 lessons. The first lesson is a basic introduction to graphic designing. The second lesson is to explain the career paths in graphic design. The third explains the fundamentals of graphic design. The best part is, the fourth lesson also provides an introduction to Photoshop, which is an industry-level photo editing tool. And in fifth, it explains how you can create thumbnails in Photoshop. So this is a course that explains everything in short, from fundamentals to career opportunities. One added benefit of this course is that it provides you with a certificate of completion, which you can show on your resume. The fourth course is Graphic Design Course, Learn the Fundamentals of Graphic Design by Hubspot. Hubspot is a platform that provides all their courses for free, one of which is this course. It's a very short 44 minutes course consisting of 10 videos divided into 3 different chapters. The first chapter will explain to you the fundamentals, including imagery, typography, color theory, and composition, with tips on how to use them for business. The second chapter is where you learn to create brand style guide and will also learn how to create design goals for blogs, social media, etc. In the third and the last section, you will learn how to create graphics for blogs, websites, social media, etc. It will also explain how you can repurpose stock images and templates. The fifth course is Beginner's Guide to Graphic Design on YouTube. We often think about platforms like Udemy, Allison, and others when we say courses, but we miss out on the biggest video sharing platform like YouTube. Yes, there are courses on YouTube too. This course is created by the YouTube channel Gareth David Studio. This YouTube channel has created a playlist consisting of 46 videos. The course talks about lots of things than just fundamentals. The second video explains to you what graphic designing is. Then it explains elements like color, line, shapes. It also explains other details like textures, alignment, contrast, repetition, etc. with examples. With all this, it also answers questions like why to do graphic design and whether should you do graphic designing. It also mentions the steps to be taken to be a graphic designer. In addition, it also answers career-related questions like equipment required for a graphic designer, required qualifications, portfolio, interview tips, and much more. If you are the one who's seeking graphic designing as a career and not just want to learn graphic design fundamentals, but also want answers to many of your career-related questions, then it's great to see all these videos. After these 5 courses, there is one bonus course for you, and that's Canva's Graphic Design Basics course. We all know Canva is one of the best tools for a lot of things, but many don't know that Canva also has a Learn section that provides courses, one of which is Graphic Design Basics. It's a small course consisting of 12 videos, 1 to 2 minutes long. Do check. And these are 5 free courses and 1 bonus course. For your convenience, we've mentioned links in the description with the help of which you can directly jump to the course which you like. And that's the video. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the comment section, let us know what topics we should cover in our next video. You can also visit our website, papervideo.com. Thanks for watching.